Okay guys, check this place out. Just a little piece of paradise, let me tell you. This is Chang on the east side, southeast corner kind of deal. Way down the east side of the island. There's all kinds of seafood restaurants here and resorts, rooms for rent. And some really cool boats. These are tourist boats, or this one is. And then we got some rich people boats anchored over there. And a couple of beauties right here. And they got stuff like this set up, you know? Look at that. For your romantic dinner. Oh, look at the catamaran. She is big, and looks like the birds have been taking advantage of the. Look at the windows. She had to run in with some birds. Island time. There's no time like island time. I think these nets, yeah, it is. It's an holding area for fish. Don't see any fish. That don't mean there's none in there. There's all kinds of them. Neat idea, actually. Oh, look at that. It's a floating dock next to the dock. Oh, she's a beauty. Long ways up. She's nice too. Look at the size of the wheel. But for my money, it's the big old wooden one. I like the wooden boats. Oh, that's pretty nice. They're using a 200-liter barrel as a float. That's different. And there's the four outside anchored up. They look very similar to this one. Right here is rooms for rent. They look okay. Nothing. Outside they look really nice. Inside the room I looked in had 3 tiny little beds in it. It's just okay. Seafood restaurant. Considering where it is, a long ways from everywhere, it is busy, and it's only like 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. I think this one has seen better days. I don't know what she's used for. Still floating. You can see this restaurant is nearly full. And we got some dried fish. Smells like dried fish. Oh, see some dried squid. And some dried fish. And an 8 horsepower Mercury. That'd be a cool place to stay, wouldn't it? Right on the water. Oh, gas station. Floating dock with some plastic kayaks. There's another sailboat down there. There's the name of the resort if you want to check it out, written on the side of that boat. All these are rooms for rent as well. Very nice. fried grouper. Oh, that sauce is really nice. It's like sweet and spicy. Oh, that's really good. Took forever to get it, but it was worth the wait. Oh, that's so soft inside, huh? The fish is really soft and the skin is crispy. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that's so good. It's all about the sauce. Fish is so flaky, so moist. You wouldn't normally say that about fried fish. Want some tail? Man, is that ever good. Not a bad view either. A face only a mother could love. Fish lips. Oh my God, that is so good. Man, oh man. There's the eyeballs. Man, oh man, oh man. Don't normally eat the eyeballs, but today I do. That was freaking delicious. Oh, this is nice. I'll try and put the link to this place in the video description if I can find it. This is an awesome place, man. Really cool. This could be your view in the morning. I think you'll be surprised by the price. Well, that's it, guys. Awesome place. Long ways from anything, but worth the effort to get here. It is beautiful. As always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.